My beautiful friends, how are you doing? What are you doing today? It's Friday. Happy Friday. It's a working day for me. I'm in the office today and just running to get something to eat for lunch. I just thought I would check in. I know it's been a long time since I did any live videos, so I just wanted to pop in, say hi, see how are you doing, what are your plans for weekend. I hope all of you are doing well. I just wanted to let you know that I got my box from Younique yesterday with my new eyeshadows and some other stuff, and I wanted to do like unboxing video. I think I'm gonna do it either tonight or tomorrow, so stay tuned. Let me know if you're interested, if you have any questions regarding Younique products or any other questions regarding any makeup applications or what to use for how to use something. I would be glad to answer any of your questions. You can write comments under here or private message me, and I'll be glad to cover it in my next video. I hope you're doing well and have a good rest of your Friday and happy weekend. Bye.